Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NGN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Civil servants in Bayelsa State have passed a vote of confidence in Governor Douye Diri as he marks his third year in office. After critical assessment of the achievement in various sectors of the economy, they are calling on the governor to seek a second term in office.
Following a Supreme Court verdict that declared Senator Douye Diri as the validly elected governor of Bayelsa State, he was sworn into office on the 14th of February 2022. On the occasion of his inauguration as the 5th civilian governor of Bayelsa State, Senator Diri had referred to himself as a miracle governor and promised a prosperity government that would bring the dividends of democracy to all Bayelsans, regardless of their political affiliations. On the third anniversary of his administration, civil servants in Bayelsa State affirm that their governor has kept his promise.
If you should ask from other civil servants, you hear them say that government, they owe, they don't pay, but since he came in, I've never been owed. He has a heart for the people of Bayelsa, and then he has kept that talk in terms of payment of salary.
Senator Diri's approach to governance is anchored on the philosophy of continuity. It would be recalled that during the second anniversary of the prosperity government last year, Senator Diri had completed the Bayelsa State Medical University project that was initially proposed as a 500-bed space hospital by the Diri Alemesseya administration and later converted to a medical institution by the restoration government of former Governor Henry Seriake Dixon. As part of activities marking Senator Diri's third year in office, the National Youth Corps Service NYSC Permanent Orientation Camp in Kayama was commissioned recently by Director General of the scheme, Brigadier General Yushua Dogara Ahmed. Senator Diri said after the camp built by his predecessor in office was looted recently, he had to embark on its renovation and put it into use.
My vision is that this permanent site must be put to use. And so we started the renovation of the whole buildings that were looted. And in consultation with the NYC, they also said for insecurity, if there is no fence, that camp cannot be put to use. We quickly mobilized and fenced around the camp and ensured that solar lights were all in place. Today, we have moved the orientation camp permanently to where it is expected to be.
In addition to the completion of inherited projects, the Senator Diri-led prosperity government has awarded and completed several projects in infrastructure and human capital development. On the strength of his performance, Senator Diri has informed Bayelsans that he will contest the November 11, 2023 governorship election. Convinced that the governor has been able to strike a balance between infrastructure and human capital development, Felix Abel, president of Bayelsa Youth for Good Governance, and Rosemary Inbi, a Yenegua resident, are in support of his re-election bid.
I will vote for Governor Douye Diri again and again and again because the man has made us proud. Are we talking about schools? Are we talking about roads? Are we talking about hospitals, health centers? What do we want to talk about?
One of the sterling qualities I saw from the governor is humility. Since he came on board, we have been listening to his utterances. He's very humble. So we are going to give him the second tender. We vote for him.
The many accomplishments of Senator Diri have not gone unnoticed. Only recently, he became recipient of the Governor of the Year award, courtesy of the Sun newspapers. The prestigious award was in recognition of his proactive response to the plight of Bayelsans at the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 and the 2022 flood disaster that left Bayelsa as one of the most impacted states in the country. With all these achievements, Senator Diri is set to engage the electorate in no distant time.
Inside the Niger Delta,